Hi everyone, we are Team 24531 for the PINK High-Speed Algorithm Development Project. My name is Mohammed Ariq, and we are a team of 4 partnering with MKS to develop a high-speed algorithm development framework. MKS requires this project to be highly modular as well as accurate. Any input signals we pass into this device should also be accurately depicted on the output side as well as modular, so MKS has the ability to plug and play these modules whenever they need.
Using PINK, we can take hardware diagrams like this and quickly prototype them using Jupyter Notebook. For instance, here we have a PINK library with Python functions easily able to control ADC and DAC. We can control the ADC here and receive a 20 megahertz sine wave. We can use the DAC and output a variety of functions including a sawtooth, a cosine, a square wave, and custom waveforms.
The Red Pitaya board that we've been developing cannot interface directly with the RF generator. There needs to be some intermediate stage between the two, which is where this PCB board comes in. This PCB board performs a bunch of necessary signal conditioning, filtering, and other stuff in order to make sure everything's happy in the system. Some of the features of the PCB board include some ports between the Red Pitaya and the board itself to allow communication, some filters, and a bunch of other stuff in there to make the system work.
To verify these solutions, an automated test bench was created. A signal is provided to the device, processed, and then read out on a scope. The input is then provided as a reference. Notice that as we increase in frequency, a phase shift occurs, and the magnitude of the output decreases. These are non-idealities that we want to characterize before handing off the final product to our customers. Our team would like to thank our guides from RIT and our mentors and clients from MKS who helped us complete this project.